Hello everyone and welcome back to Chapter 3, focusing on voiceless and voiced consonant sounds. Just a moment ago we were looking at initial consonant sounds, and now we're looking at final, meaning toward the end of the word. Final voiceless and voiced consonant sounds. So when we looked at initial consonant sounds just a moment ago, we talked about the distinguishing feature between initial consonant sounds is the idea of aspiration, that we have aspiration with voiceless consonant sounds, this burst of air that is emitted with voiceless, and then with voiced we continue to have vibration and very little, if any, aspiration. That was with the initial consonant sounds. With final consonant sounds, we're looking for a different feature. What we're doing with final consonant sounds to distinguish voiceless from voiced is we're looking at the vowel sound and a difference between the vowel sounds. Even though the vowel sounds are identical, you can notice how identical they're the same vowel sounds, but you can notice that the pronunciation of the vowel sound changes depending upon whether the final consonant, the consonant that comes after the vowel, is voiceless or voiced. Give a listen to CD1 track 25 and you'll see what I mean.
Final voiceless and voiced consonants. Page 22.
White, wide, white beaches, wide beaches. Bus, buzz, the bus stopped, the buzz stopped. Cap, cab, cab company, cab company.
Do you notice a difference between those two? Do you notice a difference between white and wide, white beaches and wide beaches, bus and buzz? Any difference between the vowels? Same vowels in voiceless and voiced. The difference is that in voiceless consonant sounds, or rather we'll compare voiced to voiceless. Voiced consonant sounds that come after the vowel make the vowel sound longer. You hear the vowel longer. The intonation, the pitch is higher in vowel sounds that come after voiced final consonant sounds, final voiced consonant sounds as compared to voiceless. Vowel sounds and voiced consonant sounds that are final sound longer than those that come after a final voiceless consonant sound. Listen to the rest of them. The bus stopped. The buzz stopped. Cap, cab, cap company, cab company. So hopefully that'll help you. You can jot down this rule, add it to rule 3.1. 3.1 we looked at a moment ago. We said that at the beginning of words, voiceless consonants are pronounced with aspiration. That was rule 3.1, aspiration for voiceless, initial voiceless consonant sounds. Now for 3.2, you're going to add to your notes the vowels before final voiced consonants sound longer. And what you're going to do for exercise C is you're going to repeat each pair of words 3 times. Listen first to CD1 track 26, practice a few times, but what you really want to do is you want to stretch the vowel sound in the second word, as it should sound longer, higher in intonation whenever it comes before a final voiced a final voiced consonant sound. So for example, number 1, lap, lab, lap, lab, lap, lab. Number 2, rope, robe, rope, robe, rope, robe. Again, the speech pathway doing very similar motions, identical motions to make these consonant sounds. It's just vibration is the main difference. Vibration is the main difference. And then also the vowel sound sounds longer. So that'll kind of help you distinguish between the two, voiceless and voiced. All right, so that's exercise 6. Make sure you have copied in your notes, rule 3.2, that vowels before final voiced consonant sounds sound longer.